Hello po Virgo, ito po si Polestar. Welcome to your reading. Alamin po natin kung ano po yung mga information na kailangan niyong malaman. This is isang guidance po para sa you for the month of November. Ayan. So ako'y magsashuffle muna ng cards. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan po kayong lahat. This is my official YouTube account. So, wag po kayong titingin-tingin sa ibang account. Ito lang po yung um, account ko. Okay. So, shuffling the cards and checking kung ano po ang dapat nating malaman para kay Virgo. Ayan. So, this is for your love life, para sa career mo, sa personal life mo, and anything na kailangan i-remind yung cards sa'yo. Okay? Check po natin. Okay? Maraming po salamat sa ibang viewers ko na parati pong nagsusubaybay sa aking TikTok account. And for those persons who have requested for private readings, okay, maraming po salamat and welcome sa reading na ito. So this is for Virgo. For the month of November 2024. Okay, here we go. Ano po ang mga kailangan nating malaman kay Virgo? Okay, check po natin kung ano po yung dapat nating malaman kay Virgo. Okay, so mag-antay lamang. Ating pupunuin po yung ah, table na to with your cards. Ano po ang dapat nating malaman para kay Virgo? Mga information sa career, personal life, love life. Okay? Pwede niyo po itong skip yung video and then jump sa reading niyo mamaya. Alright. So, let's ask the universe, the cards, kung ano po yung mga nais niyang iparating sa iyo. Sa inyo po. This reading is for Virgo for the month of November. Okay, one last row. This reading is for Virgo for the month of November. Okay, ito na po yung cards. Ayan. Okay. So yung first card is the Ace of Pentacles, and you have the Seven of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Wands, Page of Wands, the Emperor, the Lovers, the Tower, the Empress, the Nine of Cups, Six of Wands, Five, Four of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Ace of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Let's see kung ano po yung makikita natin. You have the Ace of Pentacles. Actually, when you see the Ace of Pentacles, you will think that it's all about money. But actually, Virgo, this is about relationships. Okay, I feel like you miss someone. Okay, at the back of your head, sa likod, hindi, hindi ka siguro nakafocus sa person na to. Pero actually, nami-miss mo. Pero parang pinipilit mo na hindi siya isipin or pinipilit mo na hindi siya kausapin or pinipilit mo na forgot about this person. Yan. The Seven of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Five of Swords. Um, the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Five of Swords. Hindi mo na nakakausap ng person na to eh. The Five of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Five of Swords. Actually, you thought na magulo pa yung mga bagay-bagay. But actually, hindi na. At this time, na it's actually peaceful than whatever it was yesterday. Yan, in the past. So kung akala mo magulo pa hanggang ngayon, hindi na po. Hindi na po galit ang taong to, hindi ka na po iniisip ng taong to, or um, like wala na po siyang like hindi ka na niya iniisip. Okay, right now. And wala na din, hindi na po siya makipag-away sa'yo. Okay? It could also be true with the enemies that you have. So, pwede din po to kung hindi mo to love relationship. Pwede po to sa um, mga taong nakaaway mo in the past. Okay? So, hindi na po sila nag-iisip ng masama sa'yo right now. Kasi nakapos. So, nag-stop na yung issue ninyong dalawa. Yan. The Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. May galit ba sila sa'yo? Meron po. Pero, hindi na po nila iniisip right now. The Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands. Why is this being mentioned? Bakit nandito po to na dinescribe po ng cards? Because it can affect um, your job. It can affect your decisions or your presence of mind mo right now. The Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, kasi nagiging sloppy ka, um, nagiging mahinhin ka or mabagal ka sa takbo ng life mo or yung sa presence or yung sa mga decisions mo. Ayan. Ko alam kung you have felt the effect na naging problema mo ito. But at this point, um, you can you can move forward. Okay, pwede ka nang magsimula ulit or pwede mo nang bitawan tong issue na to. Ayan, the Five of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Five, this is the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. Um, there was an issue before. Siguro, um, you were, you were, yung may binato lang na issue sa'yo. Okay, so you can actually choose to let go and move on dito. The Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Wands, the Page of Wands. Kung love relationship yun, actually it was a great love. It was a good love. And with the Four of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. Siguro madami lang taong who accused you of something, but it was actually a great love or yung person na nakarelasyon mo, it was a great person. And the Four of Wands, the Page of Wands, kaya siguro na-miss mo siya kasi pinipilit mo. Like, iwanan siya or hindi na siya isipin. And you have the Page of Wands. Page of Wands, the Emperor. Page of Wands, the Emperor, the Lovers, Tower. Um, could be your boss or you will find another love relationship. Okay, but yung pinakita ng cards hindi pa napapanahon. Okay, hindi pa napapanahon. So, yung ifo-focus mo, siguro mabuti sa career, sa personal life muna or magkaroon ng mga goals in life. And the Emperor, the Lovers, the Tower card, the Empress. The Emperor, the Lovers, the Tower card, the Empress, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands. For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, nabubuhay lang kasi sa support ng person nyo ng ex nyo. So right now, kailangan nyo talagang magsipag para magkaroon po ng career or maging stable po yung finances. And the Tower card, the Empress, and Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Tower card, the Empress. Dito, the Emperor, the Lovers, the Tower card, the Empress, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands. Kailangan niyo pong, kung sa career, kung trabaho sa opisina, kung meron ka pong trabaho, kailangan po patunayan mo po sa mga boss mo or sa people around you na karapat-dapat ka sa posisyon na yan. Okay? Kasi wala ka pang achievements dyan. Ayan. So, kailangan mo pang mag-ipon ng mga achievements, maliit man or malaki. Ayan. That doesn't mean na kailangan mong mag-ipon ng achievements para sa promotion. Hindi po. Para worth it naman po yung position na binigay sa'yo or yung sa position na meron ka right now. Okay? The Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands. Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Tower card, the Empress, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands. Sa iba sa inyo, meron sanang travel opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo Pero since hindi po sapat yung um, achievements mo for this year and last year, so sayang hindi po nabigay sa'yo yung opportunity niyan. Pwede by plane or pwede by land travel. It's an opportunity sana. The Six of Wands, the Empress, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Five of Cups. Wait lang. Six of Wands. For some of you, meron pong sakit po sa tiyan. Ayan. Reproductive organs. Parang hindi naman sa tiyan po. Some could be abdomen, but not necessarily the reproductive organs. Okay, so you take care of your liver, your kidneys, yung stomach niyo po. So, careful po sa mga kinakain. And the five, too much yung karne, careful po. The five of cups, the ace of cups, six of pentacles, the king of cups, eight of swords, the page of cups. So, kung meron po kayong mga lakad with your friends, participate naman po, join in. Kasi malay mo, doon mo po makikita yung next relationship mo. Ayan. And Five of Cups, the Ace of Cups, The Six of Pentacles. Um, Medyo nahuhumaling ka sa mga maliliit mong pamangkin. Okay? They're a source of joy. Ayan, but you could also receive invites from your friends too. Para kumain sa labas, para mag-hangout sa labas, kumain, mag-enjoy. Ayan, so pinakita ng cards na might as well have time with your friends. Ayan, King of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Page of Cups. So for November, meron pong dalawang potential na mga lalaki na maging interested sa'yo. Okay? One is you know this person, pero hindi pa kayo nagkakausap talaga ng masinsinan. So it could be a person from high school, someone that you know in elementary, or someone that you know in a company or sa neighborhood niyo, pero hindi niyo po siya nakakausap talaga. So hindi po kayo close. So yeah, may chance na baka mag-approach to siya sa'yo. Meron ding isa who is parang crush to or interested sa'yo pero faint lang po yung energy nito. Mas strong po yung energy dito ng isa. I don't see any accidents happening. That's good. Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups, the Page of Wands, Six of Wands, the Eight of Swords. May isang tao na nakalimutan pong mag-share sa'yo ng feelings niya. And Six of Wands, Six of Wands. Siguro friend mo to. So, ah, nagpaplano siyang bumisita sa'yo pero parang hindi natuloy. Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Four of Wands, Four of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the King of Cups. Some of you, kakasal ng November. Pero yung husband mo or husband to be, wala na pong pera. Naubos ata sa prepare nito celebration ninyo nang hindi mo alam na uso pala yung pera niya. And so you have to understand or to adjust. Kasi baka mag-away kayo about sa pera. Pero hindi ko naman nakikita mag-aaway. Just to let you know na naubos na po yung savings niya. And the Five of Swords, Five of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the Empress, the Six of Pentacles. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pag-iisip kasi baka sa Facebook may mag may arguments na mangyayari kasi ah, nagagalit ka. Ayan. So, careful lang na wala pong mga, ayan, yung mga chat na nagagalit na kayong dalawa. Could be an office mate sa trabaho. Five of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. Dito sa reading na to, if against all odds yung relationship niyo, or if naging distracted kayo sa relationship because of other people, could be friends, relatives, family, could be kasamahan sa office. Ang mas importante po is yung relationship. Okay. Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Lover's card, the Five of Cups. Family situation is peaceful right now. Siguro may kakailanganin kang um, bibilhin for your personal needs. Ayan, okay naman. Kasi hindi ko naman nakikita mo sa struggle ka sa finances hanggang sa half ng December. Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. So kung sa iba na may mga anak, kailangan nyo mag-attend ng mga school activities dito. Especially kung like 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old pa yung mga anak. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Four of Swords. Kung yung mga husband nyo nasa ibang bansa, could be meron pong third party dito. Okay, the Four of Swords. Alright, the Knight of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, The Emperor, the Ten of Wands. Okay. Sa mga single mom, don't be afraid to fall in love again. Okay, but it's actually hindi naman po na kailangan niyo ma-fall in love this November, but try to open up slowly. Yan yung heart mo. And the Five of Cups. So sa trabaho, one at a time. Okay. Hindi po yung magulo yung isip mo kasi hindi ka po nakakapag-focus. Wala pa ako nakikita na incoming po paparating na money, pero as is lang po siya. So, ibig sabihin kung ano po yung situation niyo right now, kung abundant, so abundant din. Pero kung naghihikahos din. Okay, pero hindi na po siya lalala. Alright, so it's up to you to create or hanap po ng mga opportunities. Okay, so yun lang po Virgo. Sana po ay nakatulong sa situation mo. If you want to request a personal reading, i-PM niyo lang po ako do or sa TikTok. Hanapin niyo po ako at Polestar Readings. Yung Polestar Readings po is sa dulo, readings po with S. Okay, kasi meron pong nanggagaya po ng account ko. Alright. Um, 9,000 followers on TikTok as of now. So, yun po yung account ko. Alright. God bless everyone. I'll see you in your next reading. Ito po si Polestar. Have a great day.